focus back off me. Back. Yep. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I just thought, well, let's just see what I got in the mail. This is a review of what I bought. I don't even know what it is. I can't really remember what it is. It could be eBay items, it could be AliExpress, it could be just about anything. Right, so that's what it is. It's just what it is. Right, my name is Joanne. I do unboxing videos, hauls, and reviews. So that's what I do. Right, so we'll start with this one. I think that this one could be an eBay item. I'm sure it is. Could be clothing, could be makeup, or it could be anything. Right, so we'll just unbag this one. Oops. Oh, I know what this one is. This one is my leggings that I bought from eBay. Now these were $5.99 even. So let's just have a look at them. Oh, they feel really silky. I thought they would have been like a clothy feel or something like that, but so that is them there. Right. Okay, so that's them. Right, and then the next item that I got is this one feels really, this one is by onogo.com. I don't know what this one is. Oh, this one is, I know what this one is now. It is my L'Oreal Leave-In Day Cream. It's just absolutely fantastic, this stuff. So it comes like that. It's a leave-in conditioner, and it is day cream, colour cream, leave-in coloured for coloured hair. It's the L'Oreal LV one, and it's just fantastic. I just do my hair with it, and it's gorgeous. I love it. I would recommend this one. This one is actually about my third one of it, but it's really good. Right, so that is that one. Then this one is a clothing item. I'm not sure where I got this one from, but it's definitely clothing. Oh, I think this one is an eBay item, so it could be used. I think it's a used one. I do buy some used ones, and it is. But there it is. It is a gym top. That's what it is. I couldn't think of the name of what they call them there, but yep, that's what it is. It's really nice. I do like it. Right, so if you liked my little haul, give me a thumbs up, like, share, please subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you all in my next video. Bye!